Thank you for making your purchase at Nicholson Muir Meats. I am James Muir, self-proclaimed meat sommelier, and we're going to show you how to cook some of our meat items on a wood-fired grill. We have some skirt steak that we can grill on a medium fire for about 20 minutes. It's 10 minutes on each side, so it gets a little bit of smoke and develops some flavor. So as you can see, we're cooking on hot coals, but there's no fire. The fire is all the way at the back. The way that you can know if your fire is just right, if your coals are just right, is if you can put your hand and count to 10 without having to pull it away, the fire is good. If you have to pull your hand out, it's too hot and you need to move some of the coals back into the fire.